Are you tired of spending too much time chopping vegetables? Customers rave about the food chopper's ability to make food prep faster and simpler. This versatile tool has become a kitchen necessity for many. Customers express that it excels in dicing vegetables, especially for preparing salads. One user highlights its efficiency with onions and potatoes, enhancing meal prep significantly. While many find it easy to use, experiences with cleaning the chopper vary. The chopper's sturdiness receives mixed reviews as well. Despite this, many consider it a game changer in the kitchen, saving valuable time. The food slicer is often described as a lifesaver. One customer noted, "This thing is fast, easy to use, and super satisfying to watch in action." Its design ensures that vegetables are chopped to the perfect size. For many, this tool has drastically cut down prep time. A busy parent states, "As a mom of 3, it makes prepping so much easier." The time-saving aspect resonates with numerous users, making the chopper a popular choice. Users commend how well it chops ingredients for various dishes. However, some mention challenges with tougher vegetables. Some find it straightforward, while others struggle with food getting stuck in the blades. In summary, the food chopper delivers on speed and efficiency, transforming kitchen prep. However, consider the mixed reviews regarding cleaning and sturdiness before purchase. Ready to simplify your meal prep? Try the food chopper today and experience the difference for yourself.